Hello all, Namaskaram from Kerala Tourism. As you are aware, we have recently conducted an international online cooking competition named Kerala Cuisine Contest 2021. The larger aim was to maintain brand Kerala Tourism, a trending topic among travelers worldwide at a time when tourism industry was reeling under severe crisis due to the COVID-19 pandemic. You know, Kerala has always been every food lover's paradise for its generous use of spices and coconut. Through the contest, Kerala Tourism extended an invitation to travelers across the globe to experience the state's yummy delicacies. Some of the iconic and traditional dishes of Kerala were featured on Kerala Tourism website. Participants were asked to cook any of these dishes at home and share the video with Kerala Tourism. The contest received a warm response from people across the globe. Initially, it was scheduled for 6 months. Later, thanks to the overwhelming response from the travelers, the contest was extended for 2 more months. Overall, we have received 11,605 registrations, 8,600 from India and 3,005 from outside India. A total of 2,629 entries were received. After an initial screening, 359 videos were shortlisted. Among them, top 10 winners, 5 from India and 5 from outside India, were selected by a 4-member jury appointed by the Department of Tourism. The winners, along with their families, will receive a 7-night trip to Kerala. Here are the winners from India. Ramalakshmi Sundararajan from Telangana, Vidhi Chugh from West Bengal, Jaya Narayan from Maharashtra, Himanandhini Prabakaran from Karnataka, Vinny Sukanth from Andhra Pradesh. The winners from outside India are Natalia from Russia, Adina Panta from UK, Nikita from Russia, Roxana Saila from Romania, Yuki Shimizu from Japan. Once again, on behalf of Kerala Tourism and God's Own Country, I congratulate all the winners. Happy to meet all you in a person while you visit Kerala. I am sure you all will have a wonderful experience here. A special thanks to all who have participated in the contest and made it a great success. Thank you.